Have you ever had a battery acid spill? Well, let me tell you exactly what you need. A battery spill kit. But first, you need to know how to properly use one safely. So let me show you. Step 1, identify the spill. Step 2, alert the spill response team and a trusted mentor. Your spill response team may be your safety captain. And do this calmly. Step 3, the spill response team should put on personal protective equipment. That means splash-proof goggles, face shield, chemical-resistant gloves, shoe covers and/or booties, a smock. Also, never leave this spill alone, even while this person is putting on PPE. That means somebody should be guarding the spill. Step 4, identify the spill. Show this to the spill team and bring with you the battery spill kit. Step 5, the spill response team should form a dam around the spill with the kitty litter that comes in the spill kit. This way, it will contain the spill. Step 6, you should cover the spill completely with kitty litter and baking soda as well that comes in the spill kit. Completely. Step 7, you should let the kitty litter and the baking soda sit for 5 minutes. This allows the kitty litter and the baking soda time for the acid to absorb and to neutralize so that it is safe to pick up and clean up. Step 8, remove the battery from the spill area and put it in a spill containment area. You can use the battery holder to pick up the battery and put it in the spill containment area. Step 9, you should sweep the kitty litter and the baking soda and dispose of it properly. You can use a broom to do this and put it in safe toxic containment. Step 10, you should replace any materials that you use. That means you should refill the battery spill kit with kitty litter and baking soda that you used, just in case in the future there's another battery acid spill. Step 11, celebrate your victory and prepare for future battery acid spills. Step 12, credits.